morning, guys, and welcome back to Mokurumi Vlogs. She's here!
Steph, she's eating it.
Isn't she the tootest thing ever?
Tootest. She does toot.
Today what we're going to do with her is put her paw in the ink and put it on the canvas. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use paint for some, I'm going to use different coloured inks and all that, and get her paw print, and then eventually I would like to get a tattoo of her paw print on my shoulder or somewhere, which I think I've mentioned. She's so cute.
She's sucking on my finger.
Hello, Mocha.
She loves belly rubs.
Hello. She slept in there, no worries last night. Like, oh, I couldn't believe how good she was. I played with a toy, and then I put the toy in the cage, and she climbed up there by herself, and then I eventually closed it, and oh my gosh, she was an angel. She was literally so good. Well, Nick said she cried a little bit, but I didn't
She
hear
only
it.
like weeped once. She was like,
Oh wow. Yeah, no, she is a really good dog so far. She walks and she follows us, like we let her off the lead and she just follows us, like she's so cute. Gonna open the canvases. She's like, what's going on? What's going on? What is it? What is it? She's trying to bite it. No, yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna wing it. I'm gonna get blue and I'm gonna grab her little paw. I'm gonna smoosh it all in there.
I don't think it worked.
Alright, ready?
Wow!
Okay,
It's amazing.
the ink's all dried out. Round 2 of paint this time. She's angry. Ready? No! Oh no!
Quick, we can still save it. Put it on the camera. You little rat!
Take 3. Oh my God. I just want to play with my toy. Stop. Okay. She is not in the mood for that. She is not in the mood. And the colour mix was horrible anyway. Seriously. Why are you like this?
She's a little brat.
What's wrong
Like, look,
with you?
if you
This is the result of take 3. Paint! What do you think of the ball print? Paint! And then this is the result of it. She's going to sleep! Now, what? She falls asleep very fast.
Wait, let me...
I'm giving up. This was like, she's asleep. And we're like, great, perfect opportunity. Like, that's probably the best one, and that still sucks. Okay, that's as good as it's gonna get. I don't know what's going on. Like, the ink is kind of old. It's been in the shed for a long time. That's kind of cute, in my opinion. She falls asleep so fast. Like,
Look at her beautiful paw, though.
I know. We got paint everywhere. So we ended up taking a drive to Wangaratta, which is where we are now. Oh. And now she's attacking, and he may die. She's just a baby. Oh no! She's coming for me! Mocha! She's going back to her. She's being a typical puppy. Oh no! Hello! She's absolutely loving this toy that she got in the puppy pack, which I'm super happy about because I never bought one of these. After the shower, she lost her harness, but we found it again, didn't we? Didn't we? Mocha Bean. Yes, that is her last name. It's Bean.
Mocha.
Follow her
It's
on
her middle
Instagram.
name. And this is the beautiful girl.
Oh, she's biting your ear. She's adorable.
So
Look at her little collar. The collar's way too big for her.
Okay, you can get that now.
Turn your back. Now walk. I'm happy that she chose me.
That's because she's close to you.
Okay, call her.
Marka, Marka, puppy, puppy.
I'm walking away now.
Oh, you little gremlin.
Oh my gosh, I've had her
Yeah,
for one day and she knows who I am. Oh my gosh, all I did was walk away.
Oh, guys, look how adorable this is.
You are the cutest. So I know it. I know. She's so cute. Mega! No, you bit me. Mega. There's this really cute outfit at Kmart. I want it so bad. It's like a little poncho. It comes with a little Mexican hat. Look, it's Nick's first job. Okay, privacy. Okay, this will really be Mocha's first time near the water. What's their reaction gonna be? Mocha, what is it?
It's like, it's water, you idiot. Sanitary.
Mom, are you sure this water's sanitary? Oh wow.
He's gonna sketch that much. Don't put it too deep in.
Oh, I'm not even gonna put her in because I don't want to wet. What is it?
Oh, she's trying
Oh
to swim.
yeah, come on, swim.
There.
Oh, she's,
Oh, wow.
she's
Okay.
like, oh, okay, never mind. It's all
I am
good.
set. This is great.
Butt scratch.
She's not even phased. I love it. Okay, ready, Mocha? Mocha. What is it? Oh yeah, that makes you like it. Who is it? What is that?
Is it coming from his hand?
Hey.